Hello mga ka-nation! Welcome to another episode of Goldilocks Magical Mashups. Our set is very festive today. I wonder what kind of culinary sleight of hand my partner Miss Joanne Kyle is up to this time. Goldie, good day sa'yo, Joanne.
Buenas Goldie Diaz, Lee. Mga ka-nation, welcome to our Cinco de Mayo episode of Goldilocks Magical Mashups.
May Espanyol ka ngayon, ha?
Claro que sí, Lee.
Mukhang ready ka na for Cinco de Mayo.
Actually, we're doing something different today. Instead of sweet, we would do something savory.
Uy, really?
And guess what? We are turning our Goldilocks Longanisa into Goldilocks Longanisa Soft Tacos.
Ay, caramba! Well, Joanne, that is perfect for Cinco de Mayo.
Of course, our Goldilocks Longanisa is not only good for Cinco de Mayo, it's good for breakfast, lunch, dinner, barbecue, hors d'oeuvres because it's sweet and mild. And I promise you, Lee, after you taste the Goldilocks Longanisa Tacos, you will be ready to celebrate.
Well, kung ganun let me go ahead and say the magic words.
Arriba, Lee.
Okay. Hocus pocus, Goldie goodness. Wow. Que delicioso. Joanne, I can hear a mariachi band in my head right now. Somebody give me a margarita. No, because I want to give you a toast, Joanne. This is muy awesome.
Thank you, Lee. O mga ka-nation, alam nyo na yung isa-serve nyo for your Cinco de Mayo celebration or for any occasion for that matter.
Okay, well, I'm definitely going to have a round two of this, Joanne. You gotta try this, mga ka-nation. Goldilocks Longanisa, Presto Changeo, Goldilocks Longanisa Soft Tacos. I bet you guys are already looking forward to the next recipe, no? Well, make sure to join us again next time here on Goldilocks Magical Mashups.
Goldie, good day!